Look what Jaxo just sent me. It's a 122-piece play set of food toys. How cool is this? Great for your little one to play in the kitchen with their pretend shopping cart, or help you in the kitchen while you're making a meal. They can pretend to make their own meal, and this would provide them hours and hours of fun of imaginative playtime. This is also great for play dates, great for playing with siblings and other family, and of course friends too. And look how realistic they are. These are also BPA-free as well. And you get fruits and vegetable and fast food items, as well as even condiments like ketchup and mustard and vegetable oil, and so much more. Look at all these fruits and vegetables, and of course, dessert. There is several donuts, chocolates, there's bread, and it has so much more. I am so impressed with how many items you get. And this is going to be hours of fun for your little one. They are just absolutely going to love it. Look at all these bold colors too. How fun is that? Perfect if they have one of those play kitchens, right? And they can be grilling something on their little stove. How cute is that? And let me show you a close-up of some of the products. Here's the ketchup and mustard. Here's some hot dogs. There's pizza slices and pie slices too. Even drumsticks and shrimp. And fruits and vegetables, even jalapenos too. There's also cans and sodas. And there's even more fruits and vegetables. You're definitely going to be impressed with the attention to detail. And there's even so much more. This Jaxo Play Kitchen accessories are awesome, and your little one is going to love it. This would make a great gift to give to somebody during the holidays, birthdays, or just because. They are just going to truly appreciate it and love it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.